Hey, how's it going, everybody? And I decided to put a video together for anybody who is looking up snow cabs or whatnot for their yard tractor. You know, before I started this project, I pulled up some videos on YouTube and kind of helped give me an idea of what to look for, and worked out pretty good, I think. Anyhow, it's a Kubota I bought last year. So this 42-inch snow auger. It's a G2000. It's a little bit older. Liquid cooled, gasoline, all-wheel steering, which is pretty sweet. But anyhow, yeah, I've got a this 42-inch snow auger. Works pretty good. Snow throws the snow pretty damn good. Only problem is if the wind picks up, blows the snow in your face possibly. And so last year wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. So I decided to build this cab. Got a little late start. I should have started building this thing probably in the spring, summer, or something. I don't want to rush it. Anyhow, here it is. I found this old cab here. Part of it was off of an old Craftsman. The rear came with like a little vinyl window that you can remove. The top and the front with the auto glass on it. It's a pretty cool gasket and the windshield wiper. And yeah, I bought that at a friend of mine. He had it. It was all rusty, you know, some surface rust, nothing too major. Wire wheeled it, primed it. And then what I did first was I modified all my brackets. I made my brackets around everything, and you know, had tolerances so I didn't damage any of the sheet metal or anything. And I started from there. To be honest with you, pretty basic. A lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So everything's off the frame, so it's nice and sturdy. There's the auger right here. One thing I haven't done yet is attach this. But you can see why I built that, so I could turn in there. Just build a little mounting bracket out of a one or something left over. But put gaskets, put lights. I use rare earth magnets to attach the vinyl because I don't want to put snaps on anything. Just don't like the way it looks in the summertime or whatever. But easy access to the gas. Pretty straightforward. There's the tail light. Windshield wiper. I didn't go battery operated because you know, it's $110 just for a battery, or yeah, I don't have a battery motorized windshield wiper. But I did get this little defroster heater type deal to defrost the windshield and whatnot from Harbor Freight, and it was $16. So I went ahead and did that. I thought it'd be pretty cool. Here's the lights on top. Turn it on. Pretty basic, but yeah, these magnets work really well. Yeah, it's got hydraulics. It lifts the whole front end up and everything. So yeah, straightforward. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, or feel free to ask. I'll try to help you out the best I can. Alright, you guys take it easy.